Once upon a time, in the vast, blue ocean, lived a tiny seaweed named Wasabi. He was not like the other seaweeds. He was vibrant, spicy, and full of life. Wasabi lived in a small, cozy corner of the ocean, where he grew among beautiful coral reefs. He loved his home, but he always felt a strange longing in his heart. One day, a strong current swept through the ocean, uprooting Wasabi from his home. He was carried far away, away from his beloved coral reefs. Wasabi felt scared and lonely, but he knew he had to find his way back. As he floated along, he encountered many new friends, a school of colorful fish, a friendly turtle, and even a playful dolphin. They all helped Wasabi navigate the vast ocean, teaching him about the wonders of the deep blue sea. Wasabi learned about the importance of resilience, friendship, and curiosity. He faced challenges, but he never gave up. With each obstacle, he grew stronger and braver. Finally, after many days and nights, Wasabi found himself back at his home. He was overjoyed to see his coral reefs once again. The other seaweeds welcomed him back, and he felt a sense of belonging he had never felt before. From then on, Wasabi was not just a vibrant, spicy seaweed. He was Wasabi the brave, the seaweed who journeyed across the ocean and returned home. He lived the rest of his days reminding everyone about the power of resilience, friendship, and curiosity. And so, Wasabi's story became a legend in the ocean, a story of bravery, friendship, and the power of never giving up. And every time a new seaweed faced a challenge, they remembered Wasabi the brave, and they too found the courage to keep going.